Well, there are some big worries about a winter surge here in LA County.
Yeah, in just the last week, the numbers have tripled.
Yeah, and joining us now to talk more about that and the Omicron danger is Dr. Ilan Shapiro. He's the medical director of health and education and wellness at Altamed. Welcome, Dr. Shapiro.
Thank you so much for the invitation.
Thank you. Well, first of all, what's behind, do you believe, the latest spike in cases, and how bad do you think things could get?
We have been carrying these cases since summer. We are kind of mimicking the same numbers as last year. The big difference is that people that are not vaccinated are the ones that are ending up more often on the hospital and intensive care unit. One of the things that we have seen was, the uptake of vaccines. And the other thing is that we didn't know that it was going to last for 6 months, and we needed actually to get the full booster shot. And then a couple of things that we have there. Also, we were not vaccinated at the beginning, the kids. Then, we have a lot of population that were not vaccinated or fully vaccinated, and all of this were a really bad combination.
Yeah, and what are you seeing in the Omicron variant so far? Are there more breakthrough cases, and how severe is it?
The really great news is that it hasn't been that severe. We were very worried because it has so many different molecular changes in their genetics that we were thinking that this could be really a bad outcome for all of us. On reality, it's actually less severe than Delta, but because it's more contagious, we'll have a higher volume of people actually ending up contagious. And after that, they can actually end up on the hospital. And that's the part that we're worried about.
Doctor, do you think we could be headed for new restrictions, possibly a tougher health order in LA County to get things sort of under control?
We already have a lot of more information, and the important thing is that we already have 1 month of data for Omicron. On the other side, we have a lot of information regarding the variants and actually COVID-19 as a whole. That's why the most important things that we need to continue following is make sure that you're masking, make sure that you have social distancing. If you're going together, if you can test yourself before, that's awesome. If you're feeling sick, please stay at home. And very importantly, this is a great moment to actually think about getting the vaccines and their booster shots.
Yeah, vaccinated people, they're definitely more concerned about Omicron. A lot of them are getting the booster shot. But how worried are people who are unvaccinated? How are they feeling at this point right now from people that you've spoken to?
The reality is that more and more people are ending up on the hospital. I have a lot of friends that are in intensive care unit, amazing nurses and doctors. And we're feeling a big frustration that all of this suffering of people that are unvaccinated can be preventable. Especially right now that we know that Christmas will be gathering and we will be doing a lot of things also in New Year's. This is a great moment to make sure that we have a better January and we start the year with positive energy, with smiles and warmth, and not headaches and other problems that we do not want to have.
This is true. Dr. Ilan Shapiro, thank you so much for your time, first of all, and for your insight as well. Very valuable. Thank you so much.
A pleasure.